up guys? So today I'm going to be building a wheelie bar for the razor right here. So when I pop it up, I could lean more on it and it'll help me balance more, and it'll only be temporarily until I learn how to wheelie, then I can take it off. But so I'm gonna use a spare metal and steel right here, more metal right here, and then this wheel, and it's gonna be like back here. And then once I pop it up, it'll go on the wheel, and the wheel will start spinning, and then I'll be able to go. So I'm gonna start building it. Alright, what's up guys? So this is what I have so far. I just have to bend this bracket back, and then I'll be able to mount right onto the razor. But unfortunately, I will not be able to finish this video because I have sold the razor. I have just sold the razor right now, so I will not be able to finish this video, but I will be building this bike out soon. Sorry for the paper. It was instructions I made for that. But so I will be building this bike out very soon, so stay tuned for that. But I will not be able to finish the part of this, but in the next few videos I will. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned.